Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination, and we are looking at the theory part of the mathematics questions. Today we are at 15A. For other solution within the series, please check my channel. They are very much available. The question says a businesswoman sold an article for 8,200 naira and made a loss of 5%. How much must she sell it to make a profit of 12%? Now the first thing we have to look for here is how much does it cost even without the profit or the loss. So 5% loss on sale, and that gives us, the 100% is the cost. So if we remove 5% from the 100%, will give us the amount that she sold the goods for. That is now with 95 over 100 of the cost price equals 8,200, because we are looking for the cost price of that article. So that will now become 95 over 100 multiplied by the cost price equals 8,200. So that will now be 95 CP, that is the cost price. We are now cross multiplying, equals 8,200 multiplied by 100. The cost price will now become 8,200 multiplied by 100 all over 95. So the cost price, if you calculate this, it gives us 8,631 and 58 kobo. So that is the cost price for the commodity. Now, to make a profit of 12%, how much must she sell? So for her to make a profit, remember this is the 100%. So to make that 12% profit, we must add that 12% to that 100%. That will now be 12, that is 112 all over 100 multiplied by 8631.58. So after the calculation, we got 96673.96 divided by 100, and after the final analysis, we got 9667.37. So she must sold it for 9,667 naira 37 kobo. So for any question, so please feel free to put it in the comment section, and for any query, put it in the comment section. Please, till I see you next time, remember to subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much.